Hey guys, I'm Steven Kolchitsky, creator of Galicia Archives. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how to find a village's local Roman Catholic and Greek Catholic parish, as well as its local synagogue. And to do so, I'm going to use the website geshergalicia.org. Now, if this video does prove helpful, you guys know what to do. So without wasting time, let's get started. Okay, so first go to www.geshergalicia.org. And once you're here, go to Towns and Galician Town Locator. And this is what you want. Now, for each Galician town, we have its administrative district, judicial district, Roman Catholic Center, Jewish Center, and Greek Catholic Center, if there is one. So this is just amazing. Now, to find a certain village, come up here on the three dots, find, and you put the name of the village you're looking for. I'm going to look for Shvekov, an example I've researched in the past. And you want to find the one that's under Galician town. And here we go. So now, for Shvekov, we know its administrative district is in Podhajce. So is its judicial district. Its Roman Catholic parish is in Kovaluvka. The local synagogue is in Podhajce. And its local Greek Catholic church is in Shvekov itself. Now here I have three passenger lists, just to go over three little examples with you, just to get the hang of it. So if we look here at number 23, Błażej Jablański, he's from Milno. So let's see what we find on Milno. And we're gonna go to the one underneath Galician town. And here we go. And we have its districts and local parishes. Example number 2. Jan and Maria Adamski from Źródło or Źródła. So let's see what Źródło looks like. And here we see its local districts and parishes. In this case, there's no local Greek Catholic church. Next, number 19, Ignacy Pasielkiewicz. He's from Ivanówka. And now we have two options, and this is very good because this is something I wanted to show you. It will happen often enough that you'll come on more than one village with the same name. When this happens, then look for different information you might have that might lead you more towards one parish than the other, or research both parishes. I know I've researched more than 2 or 3 parishes in the past, and by doing so, I finally came on the information I was looking for. Now, there's one last thing I want to show you. If I go back to Shvekov, here we see the Roman Catholic parish is Kovalówka. Now, I'm going to go to the Polish Archives, Lwowski Archdiocese, number 301. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to do the same thing. I'm going to look for Shvekov. And just bear with me for a minute. Now here we see, for Shvekov, in the late 1800s, the parish is Kovalówka. Let's keep going down. Now look, in older records, the parish was Monastirzyska. It wasn't Kovalówka. So the reason I'm telling you this is to make you understand that the parishes here, they might be good for more recent records, like for example the 1800s, 1850s, 1860s, and so on. But for older records, they might not always be accurate. So just make a point of that. And in showing you this, I showed you another way that you could find a village's parish, by going through the Polish archives and doing a find in their records. Well, I hope this video was helpful. Listen, I can't emphasize enough the importance of knowing a village's parish. Now, I've had situations in the past where I was searching for a village and not getting many results. But when I found the name of its parish and I do searches on that, I actually got more results, depending on the village. So who knows? This might be the missing piece to your puzzle. So if you like this video, you know what to do. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Take care.